Getting hit with a massive daily roaming bill or wasting your first vacation hour hunting for a plastic SIM card at the airport is the ultimate travel rookie mistake. Having your high-speed data locked in and ready the second your plane touches the tarmac is the only way to travel right now. Today, I am breaking down the absolute best travel eSIMs on the market so you can stay connected globally without getting ripped off. I've put the direct links and the best current discounts for every single eSIM we are about to cover right at the top of the description below. Find the one that fits your itinerary, get it installed, and let's get into the breakdown. My number one choice is Saily, the best all-around and most secure. If you want a flawless, frictionless setup, Saily is the affordable top pick right now. It's actually created by the same cybersecurity team behind NordVPN, which means their network reliability and app stability are industry-leading. Quick tip: you can actually get an even better deal on their already low prices. Use code Anthony for an extra 5% off your plan. The pricing is incredibly cheap compared to the competitors, whether you need a quick 1 GB for a weekend trip or 20 GB for a longer stay. But the best part is the app interface. It makes buying and installing your digital data plan completely easy and foolproof before you even pack your bags. For the vast majority of trips, this is the first app you should open. It also includes a virtual location changer like a VPN and an ad blocker with enhanced web protection, which is a no-brainer for me. Number 2 on my list is Airalo, the regional country hopper. If your itinerary looks a little more complicated, you need Airalo. They have been in the eSIM game for a long time, and their biggest advantage is their regional and global plans. If you are taking a train across Europe or backpacking through Southeast Asia, buying a single regional eSIM from Airalo means your phone will automatically switch to the best local towers as you cross borders. You don't have to buy a new plan for every single country you set foot in. And my last pick, number 3, is Holafly, the unlimited heavyweight. If you are constantly uploading heavy 4K drone footage, running a remote business from the beach, or just don't want the anxiety of tracking your gigabyte usage, Holafly is your go-to. While most eSIMs cap your data, Holafly specializes in truly unlimited data packages. They are a bit more expensive up front, but if you are a heavy data consumer, the peace of mind of having an unlimited connection without ever needing to top up is easily worth the premium. For standard trips and rock-solid reliability, install Saily. If you are crossing multiple borders in one trip, grab a regional plan from Airalo. And if you are a heavy data user who refuses to count megabytes, go with Holafly. Make sure you grab the links in the description below to lock in the best rates before your next flight. And as a quick pro tip, whenever you travel, always pair your new eSIM with a solid VPN to keep your data safe on public hotel and airport Wi-Fi. Hit that like button if this video helped you prep for your next adventure.